That thing in your closet? 2 weeks of rent, and you never use it. You stalked it online for weeks. You imagined the version of you who wore it, the coffee shop meetings, the effortless outfits, the life that felt slightly more put together. You finally bought it. The unboxing was cinematic. You might have even posted it. And now it sits there, silent, while you wear the same 5 things on rotation. You didn't just buy fabric and stitching, you bought a feeling. And the feeling ghosted you before the receipt faded. So why does your brain keep falling for it? Here's the uncomfortable truth. Your brain is not wired for satisfaction, it's wired for pursuit. Dopamine isn't a happiness chemical, it's a wanting chemical. And it spikes highest during the chase, not the catch. Think about it, the late night scrolling, the reviews, the should I, debate in your head, the fantasy of walking into a room with it on your arm. That's the high. That's the actual drug. The moment you click buy now, the anticipation triggers more reward circuitry than the arrival. By the time the delivery truck pulls up, the mystery and the chemistry has already shifted. The item didn't change, your brain did. Remember being a kid? Christmas morning was electric, but by December 26th, you were playing with the cardboard box. The toy didn't break. Your brain just stopped caring because the mystery was gone. Luxury works the exact same way. The unboxing is the finale, and your brain absolutely hates finales. It's already looking for the next trailer before the movie ends. The wanting was the point. The having was just the exit. But wanting isn't the enemy. Misplaced wanting is. You don't need less dopamine, you need a better target. Then there's the happiness problem. Psychologists call it hedonic adaptation. You call it, why don't I feel special anymore? It's the brain's habit of turning the exceptional into the invisible. That rush on day 1, by day 30, it's just fabric. But that's not a bug. It's proof you never wanted the item. You wanted the self it promised. But here's the layer nobody talks about. You're not really buying an object, you're buying an upgraded version of yourself. That bag wasn't leather, it was a portal. The you who has her life together, the you who drinks espresso at midday and answers emails without panic. The you who doesn't scroll at 2 and questioning every choice. The item is just a prop in a movie starring future you. But future you doesn't arrive in the box. And when reality hits, when you're still stressed, still tired, still you, the prop loses its magic. It becomes evidence of a gap. The gap between who you are and who you paid to become. Social media makes this brutal. You're not seeing products. You're seeing carefully curated lives where those products make sense. So you chase the symbol, thinking it's the substance. Thorstein Veblen called it conspicuous consumption over a century ago. We buy to signal who we want to be. The tragedy? The closet fills up, the dust settles, but the person you were chasing never moves in. And here's the part that stings. This isn't a conspiracy. It's a business model. They don't sell leather. They sell the gap between who you are and who you want to be. Limited drops aren't scarcity, they're storytelling. They know the bag won't change your life. They just need you to believe it might, long enough to enter your PIN. You're not a mark, you're a meaning seeker in a system optimized to rent you symbols. That's not stupidity, it's misplaced hope. And hope is fixable. So where does that leave you? Smarter, hopefully, but not immune. Knowing the trap doesn't make you stop wanting. You're human. You want, but here's a small weapon, the pause. Next time you feel that itch, that hot, urgent need to hit checkout, ask one question. Am I chasing the thing or the feeling? The feeling is valid. The thing is just rental storage for it. And rental fees are expensive. You're not bad at shopping. You're just using the wrong address for a very real need. Your closet isn't a graveyard of bad purchases. It's a museum of people you thought you'd become, and that's okay. Just maybe stop paying admission to a gallery that's already full.